Yes sir, day 12. Back to our batibot. So, may nabasa lang ako, share ko lang sa inyo. Sabi, exercise is king, nutrition is queen, put them together and you've got kingdom. So, yeah, so exercise and nutrition go hand in hand. So, kailangan natin gawin. Wala namang masama eh. If you want to be the kingdom, kailangan natin gawin, di ba? So, wala namang masama. Siyempre, samahan natin ng dasal, siyempre. Paano tayo makakalimot? So, day 12, day 13 tomorrow. Okay, yes sir. Makulimlim pa rin.